Okay, so my neighbor came by with his big snowblower and got most of the stuff on my driveway. And now I'm using my Toro snow shovel, which was dubbed by my old neighbors the Ronco Snow-O-Matic, to clean up the little stuff. Here you go. It's almost like I'm vacuuming my driveway, but it's a little mini snowblower, and it spits the stuff straight ahead. You can see we have one neighbor snow blowing that yard, and the guy who did my yard next door now, he's gone around. I think this is his third or fourth driveway. They're digging everybody out. I've got awesome neighbors. Happy snow, folks. This is a blast. Check out my mailbox. I'll have to dig that out. And my neighbor who came home from work, he works the third shift, couldn't get in his driveway. Parked kind of sideways in the street. This is fun. I love it. Pan back, get my house. Nice clean driveway. Well, it will be when I'm done.